driving through the town, oh what a fuss. The lion roars, the monkey swings. Join the ride, let's see who sings. 9 little animals hop on next. The giraffe stands tall, who's coming up next? The bunny hops, the bear claps paws. They all sing loud with their big applause. 8 little animals, here comes the fun. The panda waves, the cheetah runs. The parrot squawks, the duck goes quack. The bus is full, there's no turning back. 7 little animals as the bus keeps going through the hills where the wind is blowing. The tiger growls, the hippo grins. With every turn, the fun begins. 6 little animals, the bus is loud. The zebra joins in with the singing crowd. The peacock fans its feathers wide. Everyone's smiling as they enjoy the ride. 5 little animals almost there. The elephant trumpets to show it cares. The squirrel chats, the frog leaps high. With every hop, they touch the sky. 4 little animals, the bus slows down. They wave to the kids as they drive through town. The owl hoots, the sheep goes baa. The ride's not over, hip hip hurrah. 3 little animals, the sun sets low. The dog barks loud and the bus starts to slow. The cat purrs softly, the mouse squeaks too. The day's almost done with the magical view. 2 little animals, the stars appear. The fox winks slyly, the deer draws near. The bus keeps rolling, it's time to rest. The animal friends are truly the best. Bus with animals inside, rolling through the world, what a joyful ride. The wheels go round, the animals play, counting and singing all through the day.